Hi, I'm Anne. I'll be showing you how to do this red makeup look inspired by a combination of goth and e-girl makeup styles. This is more of a glamorous goth look that adds a pop of color to any black outfits. I already have foundation on, so I'll be starting by filling in my eyebrows using the dark brown shade from the Gloss Brow Kit. I'm drawing my eyebrows a lot thinner than I usually would. Next, I'm taking the shade Halftime from this Makeup Revolution Pro Regeneration eyeshadow palette and applying it all over my eyelid. I'm extending the color roughly to the end of my eyebrow. I'm also applying this to my lower lash line, connecting it to the eyeshadow on my eyelid on both ends of my eye. Then taking the shade Upper Hand, I'm applying this in a V shape to the outer corner of my eye to add some depth. I'm taking the KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner and Trooper Black and drawing an upwards wing, pointing towards the end of my eyebrow. I'm also lining my upper lash line. Next, I'm taking this black eyeshadow from L'Oreal Color Rich Eyeshadow Palette in Nude Beige and applying it to my lower lash line. I'm connecting it to the wing I drew just now. I'm curling my eyelashes next. Then taking a black pencil eyeliner, I'm using the Intense Black Eyeliner pen from BarryM. I'm lining my upper waterline. For the mascara, I'm using Innisfree Skinny and Jumbo Dualcara and applying several coats to my upper eyelashes. I want every individual lash to pop as much as possible. I'm doing the same to my lower eyelashes. Taking the same liquid eyeliner again, I'm extending the inner corners of my eyes by drawing a tiny V shape and extending this to meet my natural lash line. From the same Makeup Revolution palette, I'm applying Saint to the inner corners of my eyes, around the small V shape I've just drawn. Using the Sleek Face Contour Kit, I'm contouring my forehead, my cheekbones, and my jawline. Then taking a smaller brush, I'm contouring my nose. For the blush, I'm using the Gudetama Jelly Dough Blusher in Grapefruit Jelly, and applying several layers of this to my cheekbones to build up the colour. I'm also applying a little to my nose bridge. Taking the shimmery highlighter from the Sleek Face Contour Kit, I'm applying this to my nose bridge, the tip of my nose, my cheekbones, the tip of my chin, and also my cupid's bow. Finally, for the lips, I'm using Rimmel London Stay Satin Liquid Lipstick in Glam Rock. And here's the final look. It's a more casual and wearable look compared to my previous Goth makeup tutorial. The red eyeshadow is ideal for adding a touch of color to black outfits, or to match with anything red you're wearing. The winged eyeliner and the extended inner corners help to give your eyes a more fierce and intense look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and feel free to let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do a tutorial for a specific look. I'm open to challenges. Thanks for watching.